Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Pluxee gift code to Pluxee gift credits. So in order to do it, you just have to simply follow these steps. Like first of all, you need to download the free Pluxee Philippines app on App Store or Google Play Store. Then you need to register your name and your mobile number. An OTP will be sent to your nominated mobile number and email address to verify your account details. Basically, you will have to first of all create your account on Sodexo or Pluxee. Then you need to simply provide a password, and once you are in your account, you need to tap on the convert option. So here you will see the convert Pluxee gift code on the home screen. So you need to select that and enter the 10-digit Pluxee gift code. You will see your updated balance on the home screen of the application once it is successful. So it is a very simple and easy thing to do. You just have to simply register if you don't have an account over here, or if you have an account, you need to simply log in into your account, and then you need to click on the convert Pluxee gift code option, and then you can convert it into gift credits very easily. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.